we are proud to announce that Draganfly is expanding its U.S. manufacturing footprint with multiple new AS 9100 and ISO 9001 certified facilities. This investment strengthens our capability and capacity to meet the growing demand for secure U.S.-made drone systems. This expansion comes at a pivotal moment. The U.S. Department of Defense has called for a bold initiative to accelerate domestic drone production and reduce reliance on foreign supply chains. Draganfly's expanded operations directly align with this directive, building resiliency, redundancy, and rapid response into America's drone ecosystem. By strengthening our U.S. supply chain, we can deliver advanced systems like the Draganfly Flex FPV faster and more reliably. These drones are engineered for missions in public safety, defense, and critical industrial operations, providing the agility and readiness needed to respond to dynamic challenges. This milestone reflects our belief that UAV technology is not about just innovation, it's also about national resilience. From defense applications to emergency response, U.S. manufactured drones ensure critical missions aren't delayed or disrupted by supply chain dependencies. At Draganfly, we're committed to advancing America's aerospace leadership through innovation, infrastructure, and partnerships that matter, delivering solutions that are efficient, reliable, and built for the mission, saving time, money, and lives.